Are you videotaping this?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's the camera?
I know.
Oh, that shit is fun. Oh god.
Did you get that, Shauna? She just go.
Music video form. You can find that later tonight on NFL.com/RedZoneTV. And if this guy doesn't do it in 3 minutes,
You should see her mouth when it's.
local Fox affiliate or NFL.com. And a final will have the highlights after it is over.
We need to do this more often.
Against the Dolphins on the road, and that started 3 games straight. Chris, I asked Tim Fisher yesterday, in our time that we got to spend with him, I said, "Where's the confidence of your rookie?"
Thank you.
And how do you recapture him after those 3 misses at Miami? Because the guy's fine. He's absolutely driving him and bombing him. He's got thick skin, and he's